Ladies and gentlemen, dear valued customers, dear clients, partners, and not seldom friends. I have the honor to welcome you to this Customer Open Day for Digitalization, to welcome you to our headquarters, to welcome you to Bavaria.
Welcome from my side. It's really also a big honor for me to present what we are doing. And the slogan is, let's shape the future together. Without you, it would not be possible. So as Timo said, it's all about getting feedback from you, listen to you and understand what is your need, what helps you to be more competitive.
Myself and sometimes my colleagues are shouting a little on me, but I call digitalization as an enabler, but it's a very important enabler, and it will be definitely one of the possibilities and the solutions to bring our industry on the next level. On the next level means on the next efficiency level.
In the next few minutes I will tell you about our digital transformation journey that we did over the last years. And I lay the emphasis on the SAP S4 implementation and MES machine execution system renewal within our company. The headline for us is keep it simple. KISS, keep it simple.
You wanted to recognize how complex our system at least is, or nowadays is. We just have a production plan for 1 or 2 days, not further on. And one of the main targets of this project is that we want to plan 1 or 2 weeks.
So they said, right, we want a carbon neutral factory. And so that was a key driver, was then in all the solutions and all the innovations and all the things we put in there and designed was to reduce temperatures, reduce water consumption, make things more efficient. So we have a site that is fully electric, there's no gas. All the heat sources come from regeneration, from heat pumps and everything else.
What we are creating now, TOR, is a success monitoring. All the fields of action, how we can manage it, how the success was happened, to make it measurable.
For me, a highlight was that I had the chance to present together with Dominik Buchfelder on the topic of the SAP and Krones partnership and how we bring digital solutions of Krones and SAP together to the customers in the beverage industry.
So my first highlight was in the morning, seeing all these customer presentations, seeing how they use the Krones solution, seeing how they have implemented them in the last years. So thank you for this great day.
Ba 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 da da.